In today's video, we will be talking about how to add customer registration form in Shopify. Now, to be able to add a customer registration form, we're going to be utilizing the feature called Apps. So simply select Apps, then simply search customer registration. Click on Enter, and we will be redirected to another page, which is the Shopify App Store. In this place, you will be able to find multiple types of apps over here that would allow you to add customers into your Shopify store. For example, you have Zigball customer survey, testimony reviews, postcard marketing, customer accounts, concierge, and many more. Now, the process of actually adding a customer is very manual in Shopify, as you can see here, where you're going to have to add customer one by one through this process over here. And that would take a long time. And you could utilize the application available in the App Store to help shorten your time adding customers. So basically, you will be able to add customers that are going to use specific parts of your website that you have designed to add customers. So for example, you could have a contact us page or like something like this where you could create a segment. And right now I don't have a customer, of course, but you can create a segment over here. But to be able to add a customer, you're going to have to do like what I said, a manual addition of customers into this part over here, like the customer overview. Now you could get the information about your customers by going to your online store and going to pages. Now your pages naturally has a default page that is added, which is the contact page over here, wherein once someone registers in the contact page, you will be able to receive their information. And you can get those customer and you could customize and utilize that as a customer registration page or form as well in Shopify. So let's click on customize over here and let's view that page so that you can understand and see what I'm talking about. So click on home page, click on page over here, click on contact, and there we go. In contact, they will be able to enter their name, email, phone number, and comment over here. And you can simply utilize this and get the information to add someone to the customer page. You can also add multiple types of sign up forms over here. You could have one for an email sign up as itself, or you could also have a contact form instead to help you gain more information aside from just the email that is offered from the email form. But through that, you will be able to get their information and then you could simply add it to the customer page. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.